Hi, welcome to SureCoat Systems monthly feature project. This month we spotlight the Long Beach Storage Center in Long Beach, California. This commercial property houses offices and storage units and was in desperate need of a new roof. The roof's architectural features, which included cell towers, pitch pockets, cable housings, and electrical equipment, meant a complete tear-off would be too disruptive to the tenants and day-to-day operations. Check out how easy the installation was, from cleaning and pressure washing the roof with Sure Scrub Cleaner to detailing the vents and penetrations with Sure Set Quick Dry Base Coat and reinforcing poly mesh. The SureCoat roof system is a 3-ply fabric reinforced Class 1 waterproof system, which can be applied over all substrates with the exception of silicone. This project has a 15-year manufacturer's written warranty renewable throughout the life of the roof. For more details on this project or any questions, please visit our website at www.surecoatsystems.com or call us direct 877-823-7873.